Okay, we are going to start your IELTS speaking test. Do you work or study?
I'm working with my studies as well.
Okay, that's right. You need to speak a bit louder, right? So that your voice is clear. What do you do?
Right now, I'm performing my duties as a principal at Rangers Public School, Narwal.
Okay, that's right. Do you like your job?
Yeah, obviously, because this is, you can say it is a very high level education required job, and from my childhood, I wish to become a leader, and definitely I got this job.
Okay, what do you dislike about your work?
The credit hours about my job, because I have to stay at night in schools for doing some extra activities regarding test and exams. So I don't like to stay after of timing.
Okay, do you think your job is stressful?
Yeah, obviously, because there is required a lot of responsibilities on a head, and this is not my own work, and I am also in the observation of many officers, and they are always observing me while performing all the activities for the whole day.
Do you want to continue this job in the future?
Yes, because it is considered the best job in my own city, and being a lady, it is very respected job, and I am also getting a good salary as well. And the other reason behind it, this school is running by the seniors officers, by commanders, and it is also under a journal of Rangers.
Okay, what kind of jobs are popular in your country?
Mostly for the ladies, the teaching field is the best according to my opinion, and being a Muslim, I think it is the best job for ladies.
All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is your topic here, and here is pen and paper. So you have 1 minute to write down some notes, and after 1 minute you'll have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
From my childhood, I wish to visit very icy areas just like Islamabad and Rawalpindi, and because right now in which area I am living, that is very hot, and from my childhood, and that was my wish, and you can say the person always want to become some new changes in their life. That's why it was my wish, and that place is considered the best leisure timely area of for any person. So I think everyone should make his mind to visit such places. That place is my favorite place to visit, and definitely being a very cool and freezy area, it is not easy for any person to live permanent at there, because we can freeze at there, and we are not habitual and used to live in that area. That's why I think life cannot be existed for me. Life cannot be existed at there, but it is my wish. I want to visit that place because mostly people in my area like to see and like to visit at there, and like them.
Okay, all right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What type of apartment do most people in your country like to live in?
Actually, according to the atmosphere and environment of my country, mostly people like to live in like to enjoy the 4 seasons of the year, for example hot, summer, winter, and every season. So I think they are habitual to face on their own.
This is irrelevant answer. My question is about apartment, not about this. Do people in your country like to invite others as guests?
Yeah, obviously, because it is person to person vary, and we can say it is also according to the environment of our society, and mostly people like to visit their guests, and they like to enjoy the parties in their free time. I think it is the best thing to
Okay, that's right. So you should focus on the relevance of your
Yes.
answers, because my question was about apartment, you're talking about season and all
Yes.
that, right? And secondly, when you speak for part 2, it's a very good idea to take a look at the topic entirely and then cover the sub points one by one. First of all, what place is it? Secondly, thirdly, fourthly. So you just put the topic away, you did not even write any notes. So it's good to write notes and to take a look at the topic. For example, what place is it? Describe. Then when do people visit that place? So these type of things are important, right?
Yes.
Thank you very much.